Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how we can actually utilize mobile scene or mobile touch controls for the Silantro helicopter asset. And you can see that for example, if you want to build game for Android or iOS, you can go to build settings and then you can switch the platform to relevant platform. In our case, we can switch our platform to Android, and then you can definitely build your game for Android mobile phones. For Silantro helicopter, we already have the mobile scenes. As you can see, under scenes we have mobile, and if we double click on this, you can see we already have the mobile scene. So if we play the game, you will see that we can actually utilize this scene. Okay, so here you can see we have throttle, collective, touch controls as well, and then we have the start engine. So let's start the engine, and you can see our engine is started. And we also have the autopilot option. If you utilize, you can utilize it as well. Okay, so it's up to you. And now you can see we have the throttle. You can increase the throttle, and here we go. We go to right, we go to left, and everything is working absolutely fine. Okay, so that's it for this video. You can see that we mobile controls are already implemented for the helicopter, and I will create a video. For example, if you have a scene without any mobile sports, then how you can implement these sports mobile touch controls for that specific scene or project. So I will create a separate video, and then you will understand how we can implement these controls by ourselves. That's it for this video. Goodbye.